Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist here with another session of Subaru School. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the proximity tailgate that you can find in the 2020 and up Subaru Outback. Now this is applicable for anything with a power lift gate. Unfortunately, the convenience doesn't get this. Today I'm going to be showing you on this 2024 Subaru Outback Onyx that I have behind me here. So first thing is first, we need to make sure that the power lift gate proximity sensor is actually turned on. So I get a lot of calls from clients saying, hey, this isn't working. You showed it to me and now it's not working. And down here by the driver's left knee on the dash, we've got the ability to open the rear hatch. We've got the scroll wheel for the branches of the gauges. This is the proximity sensor. You can see it shows a little image there of the hatch up and a little bit of a wave symbol there. So right now it's tucked in. If you can fully see the white bar, that means that it's active. If it's pushed in, kind of hidden, you can just see a sliver, that means it's deactivated. So there we go, we've turned it on. So at the back of the Outback, all I have to do is, so long as the key is on my person, I have to block the logo. So I don't want to cover it completely because that's going to be too close and it's going to say something's in the way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wait a second, put my hand approximately 2 inches away. There's a small audible chime. It beeps and you back up. It's simple as that. Now I'm going to close it, and if I block it, it beeps and I don't move, it's not going to open. So it thinks something's in the way. Press and hold, beep, keeps beeping, doesn't open. So if you have something continuously in the way, and it thinks that something's in the way, it's going to open into it and it's going to hit it and potentially wreck the door, hurt the door, or wreck whatever's behind it. So it doesn't want to do that. Now, it doesn't just have to be your hand that you put in front of the logo. So long as the key's on your person, you could use a box, you could use your foot, it beeps, back up. Lots of options. And the idea is you don't need to have access to your hands to open it. So if you've got a box of groceries or you've got your dogs on leashes holding on your child's hand, you can still open that hatch. You can use your elbow, you can use your butt. As you can see, you can use your foot, and that key was in my pocket. I've got fairly long legs, so I was a decent distance away. So that is how you operate the proximity tailgate on the 2020 and newer Subaru Outbacks. Thanks for attending this session of Subaru School. If there's something that you would like to see in a future Subaru School video, please put it in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. And if you have any questions about how this is operating or you're having some issues yourself, please put it in the comments below. I'd love to try to help you guys out. Thanks for attending this session of Subaru School. I'm Tyson the Subaru Specialist.